This 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3173 RLP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, external shower, leveling jacks, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3173 RLP is 10,420 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.